Good morning. Going to do confined water presentations today again. Yesterday there was open water presentations, today confined water presentations. Beautiful day, sun is back, haven't been rain for a couple of days again, so, and the water looks good, no waves, perfect conditions. Rainy afternoon here in Amed. Sculptures is next to the school. This kid doesn't look really happy, right? Super cool, right? But somebody did it, and it's really Balinese school style. This is a gate to the school, and then you go inside, and that's how it looks like. No, it's Friday, but the school is closed at the moment, and I cannot show how it looks inside. There was a rain. As you can see, the water brought all the plastic which was in the ditches or the drainage. So it's been floating closer to the ocean. With the next heavy rain, it will be in the ocean. After the rain became a way cooler, it's like even a little bit like a cold, a little bit. It's like we are so spoiled probably, right? So then it's hot, then it's too hot, and now it's too cold. It's like a bunch of people sitting in a car and everybody wants to regulate the comfortable temperature for personally them. For one it's too hot, for another one is too cold. So what is good then? Usually this road we crossing this, I don't know what is it, like a big ditch when we're going for diving into the Tulamben. And usually people asking, oh, this is a river, the riverbed, or what is it? It's actually not the riverbed. It's like you can see it's actually artificial structure, which is made that, for example, if the Agung explodes or erupt, so then all the, what is it called, lahar, the water out of the crater which comes, so then it's like it's organized, so that it's basically it. So then this all the water, the dirty water, and also lava is actually going organized to the ocean. So it's not like unorganized and taking another route and damaging something on the way. So that's the thing. There's even steps down there. Previously, this one was a quarry area where they took a sand and the stones and everything. So that's why it looks like that. And that's what usually local municipalities, if you can call them like that, they make in these places like this. They're making the quarries. That's where all the sand for the building, for the constructions comes from. For me, this is the best place to take some Agong photos. Today is not the best day to take some photos of the Agong, just because it's all in like a kind of fog, because it's been rainy today. At the moment it's beautiful weather again. And I actually came here for the time lapse, but why I came here, because there's nothing in the front of the Agong, and this is the best shape of the Agong from this point. Well, because it's a cone. It's not like, for example, if you're looking at Agong from Chandidasa side, or for example from Amlapura, so then it's like the top is wider, and it doesn't look that cool actually, because here it's really a cone. This is my favorite view to Agong. And Amed is even better, but there's a lot of things in the front, because there are hills and mountains and other mountains in the front of Agong, and it doesn't look like, you cannot see the full how to say it, you cannot see all Agong. Here nothing in the front, because that's the place where you can actually, I don't know, I believe there is some trail going straight up, but it's the shortest way from somewhere there, shortest way to the top. And on this side, it's the highest peak, which is 3030 meters. That was another day from Bali, and I was happy to share it with you. Thank you very much for watching me and following. So then I understand why I'm doing it. Tomorrow gonna be 100th episode of this vlog, which is like a kind of number, right? And so yeah, that's been a challenge, but about that we will talk tomorrow. And so yeah, thank you very much again for watching, and hope you're still enjoying this vlog, and definitely see you tomorrow again. Bye.